Hi YouTube, this is Tracy Loves Bags and I am coming to you today. First of all, thank you for joining me and welcome to my channel. I am so excited. I have been waiting to do this unboxing for about 2 weeks now from the Louis Vuitton store. Backstory first, I purchased one of my unicorn bags about, let's see, about 6-7 months ago or so. I found a really good deal from a seller in Japan, and I said, oh my gosh, here's the bag that you've been dreaming about. So I purchased it. I went ahead and purchased it. I had it authenticated first, of course, but the bag needed extensive repair of the leather. So I said, well, what the heck, I will get a quote from Louis Vuitton. And so I did. I made a call and I spoke with a customer associate. We got everything together. I had the bag shipped, and they told me it would be about 22 to 24 week wait, which was fine. I said, okay, fine. So this was back in the fall. So I shipped the bag off to Louis Vuitton in October, and I received it in March. So I am doing my first unboxing with you. Please excuse everything because it's very early in the morning here, but I was so excited to get this done. I wanted to open it, unbox it with you. Okay, so right here. Okay, oh, here we go. Here's the bag, the box with my bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so you will be seeing this with me for the first time. Okay, here we go. Oh, the box comes apart very easily. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, I got a new box. A brand new box. Go. All right, let's see. Let's open it up and see what we have. Oh, yay. I get a new dust bag. I was hoping for a new dust bag. Okay. All right, the box is empty, but I get to add this to my collection as well. I love all of the Louis Vuitton boxes that I have, so I have them in my room, actually, stacked very neatly. One day we'll have to do a tour of that, but I will wait. Okay, so here we go. A new drawstring bag for my newly repaired unicorn that I've added to my collection. And what I will do, this is a brand new channel. I do have other videos up on another channel, but this one is dedicated solely to my handbag collection. And here she is. Oh, here she is. Here she is. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there. The handles look really good. And if you've seen this bag before, I will try to insert a few pictures of the before to let you see how it looked prior to this repair. Oh, there's a new D-ring as well. Okay, now this leather is original, so which is fine. The interior, apologize for the noise. have my new Louis Vuitton card, receipt, and the paperwork. And it says, "Dear value client, please find enclose a copy of the repair agreement to keep for your records. Sincerely, Louis Vuitton Client Care Services." And here we are. Thank you very much for this. Okay. And here's this. The bag still does look good. The interior I had cleaned because when I first received it, there were marks inside, which did not bother me because I knew I was going to have it repaired by Louis Vuitton. But this is the size 35. Okay, and this is what it looks like. For reference, I'm 5 feet tall. And, okay, this is how it looks. With me holding it, I'll put it here. Please excuse the shorts. And like I said, I was so excited to get this video out to show you guys this unboxing. But I have loved this particular bag forever. I have the other Speedy Aquarelle in the white, and it's a size 30. So, but I was unable to find the Aquarelle in this color, and I love the darker colors. So when I came across it on eBay and I saw that the seller had it, and it did, like I said again, it didn't matter the condition of the leather, as long as the canvas was in a good condition, I was fine. I purchased it. I hopped on it right away. Purchased it because I knew, right? I knew that I would have it, the leather replaced. So they did all of the piping. Looks good. Stamp. The zipper. Appears that they did replace the zipper as well. Okay. I know the tab was replaced, but it looks as if they replaced the zipper. But it is impeccable. I'm not sure about you, but I'm not a really big fan of the white leather, so I look forward to when it gets just a slight bit of patina on it. I like the light honey patina on my bags. So this one, added to my collection, is just beautiful. I mean, I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'll keep showing you. And you see how, alright, this is the back. So, as you can see, the canvas is one continuous piece. So, it is absolutely gorgeous. And this is from the 2008 collection. And I just love the watercolor. I love how the overlay just goes so pretty on. And this bag, I know right now it's still, it's March 18th today, so it's almost springtime. But I will carry this bag in the spring as well. I know some people may not like to carry darker bags, but I will carry this bag in the spring and in the summer. And anytime, just whatever I would like to. But it is beautiful, and I thank you so very much for joining me today for this unboxing of my newly repaired Louis Vuitton Speedy Aquarelle in the 35. Again, this is the 35 Aquarelle. Thank you. I appreciate you joining me, and if you like my content, I will be sharing much more. I will be sharing more of my unicorn bags. I am a person who loves, I do love the classics. However, I am a huge fan of the limited edition Speedies, and I have several in my collection, and I would love to share them with you. So if you like my content, if you like seeing limited edition bags, in spite of my awkwardness, I'm a little nervous, but thank you. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I would appreciate it because I love bags, and I'm sure if you love bags, you may find my content a little interesting, maybe a little funny, maybe a little entertaining. I'm in my husband's man cave right now, so my room is a mess, so bags everywhere, everything's all over. So I'm in my husband's man cave while he's still asleep. So this is why I'm up so early and looking a hot mess. But anyway, thank you again for joining me, and I hope you will consider liking and subscribing. Thank you. All right, bye.